In a rain-drenched city, a Lagos street musician met a Jakarta climate scientist when a global project revealed their paths intertwined. Their chat flashed not in words but in rhythm as he strummed and she logged data, discovering love grew from listening. Despite old customs and wary families, they built a cross-cultural documentary that framed rain as a shared language of hope. The rooftop wedding during monsoon surprised everyone as guests from many backgrounds joined in music and vows. Their story invites viewers to celebrate love that bridges cultures and acts as a bridge between science and art.